Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Spotify Wrapped not working. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do here if your Spotify Wrapped is not working is to make sure that your Spotify is on its latest version. So head into your Play Store and then App Store. And then just simply search Spotify. And then after that, just check if an update is available. And if there's an update available, just simply tap into the update button. So just tap into that blue update button. And after doing so, after installing the update, just check if your Spotify Wrapped is there, and if it still didn't fix the problem, what you can do next is to try to uninstall and then just reinstall the app. And then after doing so, reinstalling it, just log into your account again and check if the Spotify Wrapped is there. And if that still didn't fix the problem, what you can do is to manually search for Spotify Wrapped on your browser. So just simply head into your browser and then just simply search Spotify Wrapped 2023, and then after that just simply tap into the first result that you will be able to see. So right here, tap into that and then just tap into the login button and then just log into your account, and then you should be able to see your Spotify Wrap after doing so. And so that's it for this video. That's how you can possibly fix if your Spotify Wrap is not working on your device. And so I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.